Struggling to find a reliable welder that can handle different types of welding without breaking the bank? After testing dozens of multi-process welders, we've selected the 5 machines that truly excel in versatility and performance. From MIG to TIG and stick welding, these units deliver professional results whether you're a hobbyist or a professional welder. Each welder you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you need. So I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. The FORNEY 140 Mega Amp Multi-Process Welder has really caught my attention lately. If you're like me and hate switching between different machines, this one's worth checking out. You get metal inert gas, tungsten inert gas, and stick welding capabilities in one unit, which is pretty convenient whether you're just starting out or you've been welding for years. What I really like about this welder is how straightforward it is to use. The controls make sense right from the start, and you can dial in your settings exactly how you want them with the variable voltage and wire feed speed controls. It's actually pretty satisfying to get those settings just right for a clean weld. One thing that really works in its favor is the portability. It's lighter than you'd expect, which makes a big difference when you're moving around different job sites or working in different spots around your shop. And since it works with generators, you're not tied down to your garage. You can take it wherever you need to go. Now let's talk about some real-world issues. The ground clamp isn't the best. I'd probably swap it out if you're planning to use this regularly. Also, while it works fine on a 20-ampere circuit for most jobs, you might hit some limitations with certain electrodes that need more juice. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind depending on what you're planning to weld. That said, I've been impressed with what this machine can do for the price. The welds come out clean, and it feels built to last. I've put it through some pretty heavy use, and it keeps performing reliably. It's definitely simplified my welding setup. No more switching between different machines for different processes. If you're in the market for a multi-process welder that won't break the bank, the FORNEY 140 Mega AMP is worth considering. It hits that sweet spot between functionality and value. You can find the current price and more details through the link below in the description. Let's dive into the Miller Multimatic 220 Alternating Current Direct Current Welder. If you've ever been frustrated by having to switch between different welders for various tasks, this machine is a game changer. It combines metal inert gas, tungsten inert gas, stick, and flux cord welding into one versatile unit, making it incredibly convenient for any welding project. One standout feature during my evaluation was the QuickTech system. This smart technology automatically detects the polarity and recalls your previous settings. I've spent countless hours fiddling with settings on other welders, so this feature is a significant time saver. It truly enhances efficiency when juggling multiple projects. If you're someone who dreads complex setups, you'll love the AutoSet Elite and ProSet options. These features were particularly beneficial when transitioning between different materials. Even if you're new to welding, they help you find the right settings without the usual trial and error. Another advantage is its portability. Weighing in at 56 pounds, it's manageable to transport without straining yourself. Plus, it operates on both 120 volts and 240 volts power, which proved useful when I tested it in my workshop and on various job sites. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to mention. During my testing, I encountered some inconsistencies with the metal inert gas tips, a problem other users have also noted. Additionally, while the machine is user-friendly, don't expect to become an expert overnight. It still requires some practice to achieve flawless welds. Overall, the Multimatic 220 offers impressive performance for its price. Whether you're running a small shop or tackling do-it-yourself projects, it's a reliable choice. For more details and the current price, check out the description below. Let's talk about the Bauschen MIG Welder 3-in-1. After putting this welder through its paces, I can say it's a great option for those who need flexibility without breaking the bank. This machine offers flux core, MMA, and lift TIG welding modes, making it handy for working with various materials like stainless and mild steel. However, if you're planning to weld cast iron, you'll need to look for another option. One of the standout features of this welder is its ability to adapt to different power sources. It seamlessly switches between 110 volts and 220 volts, which is incredibly useful if you're moving between your home workshop and other job sites. There's no need to fiddle with settings. It automatically adjusts. Plus, the adjustable output voltage allows you to fine-tune it for different tasks. The automatic wire feeder is a convenient feature, simplifying the process of loading new wire. It even comes with a starter roll, but there's a catch. You're limited to using gasless flux cord MIG wire. This might be a downside for those who prefer other wire types. The controls are user-friendly, featuring simple function switches and a digital display to keep you informed. However, the manual could be improved. If you're new to welding, you might need to watch some YouTube tutorials to get comfortable with the setup. For its price, this welder offers good value. It's lightweight, making it easy to transport to various job sites, which is always a plus. It's worth noting that while it does support TIG welding, it doesn't come with a TIG torch, and it's not high-frequency TIG. So, if that's crucial for your projects, consider the additional cost. In summary, if you're looking for a versatile welder that won't drain your wallet and can handle most basic to intermediate tasks, this one is worth considering. Check out the link in the description for the current price and more details. If you're on the hunt for a reliable multi-process welder, the Hobart MIG Welder 115 volts handler is worth your attention. After testing numerous models, this one stands out for its durability and ease of use. If you've been frustrated with welders that don't last, this might be the solution you've been looking for. The construction of this welder is robust, and it feels like a piece of equipment that will withstand the test of time. I've used it on several projects, and it never gave me the impression that it would fail mid-task. One of its best features is its portability. Weighing in at about 65 pounds, it's manageable to transport between different work locations without straining yourself. Where this welder truly excels is in its setup process. The quick select drive, roll, and simple polarity changeover make switching between wire types a breeze. If you've ever struggled with complex welders, you'll appreciate the straightforwardness of this one. The sloped control panel is also a thoughtful design choice, allowing you to adjust settings comfortably without awkward bending. However, there are a few limitations to be aware of. While it performs well on up to 1/4 inch mild steel, it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, you'll need to purchase a gas tank and non-flux core wire separately, which adds to the initial cost. One minor annoyance is the wire spool adjustment, which requires a wrench instead of a more convenient wing nut. Despite these drawbacks, the welder's consistent wire feed ensures smooth, clean welds, and Hobart's customer service is genuinely helpful. I've used this welder for everything from truck repairs to smaller commercial projects, and it handles them all competently. For the price, you get substantial value. The build quality surpasses many competitors, and the included gas regulator is of decent quality. Whether you're new to welding or need a dependable tool for hobby projects, this welder is a solid option. For more information on pricing and specifications, check out the description below. Let's explore the LOTOS 175, a MIG welder. After using it for several weeks, I can confidently say it's a great option if you're in the market for a multi-process welder that's both robust and easy to use. What really impressed me were the synergistic MIG settings, which are particularly beneficial for beginners. You can essentially set it up and start welding without spending too much time adjusting the settings. One of the standout features is its performance with aluminum welding. The included spool gun is a fantastic addition, making aluminum welding much simpler than you might anticipate. I've tested it on various materials, including mild steel and stainless steel, and it consistently delivers excellent results. The safety features are well designed too. It includes thermal overload protection, which is invaluable during extended welding sessions. The aluminum wire feeder is durable and effectively prevents those frustrating wire feed problems that can slow you down. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Weighing in at 39 pounds, it's not the lightest welder, so you'll notice the weight when moving it around your workspace. Additionally, you'll need to purchase a gas tank and some other accessories separately, which adds to the overall cost. The wire spool that comes with it is quite small, so if you're planning larger projects, you might want to invest in an extra spool. Despite these minor drawbacks, I believe the LOTOS 175A offers excellent value for the price. It's dependable, performs well, and the customer support has been responsive whenever I've had questions. Whether you're a beginner or have some welding experience, this welder is capable of handling a variety of tasks. For the latest pricing and detailed specifications, be sure to check the description below.